Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to find support for Disney Plus. So to find support for Disney Plus, you want to open up your browser, type in support Disney Plus. You could find the first link that is help.disneyplus.com. You click onto the link and that's going to directly take you to the contact us page. So here you could go ahead and locate any sort of topic that you're having issue with, and you also want to go ahead and select the way to connect, whether through email, whether through live assistant, or through mobile number as well. So this way you'll be able to find support for Disney Plus. And in the app section as well, if you go ahead and log into your Disney Plus account and you click onto the gear icon at the top right and go to settings from the list and go to help and support, you could click onto it or tap onto it and you could find support as well. So this is how you'll be able to find support for Disney Plus. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.